Imagine waking up every morning, not because you have to, but because you want to. The bills? Paid. The fridge? Stocked. And the paycheck? It comes to you whether you work or not. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's not a dream, it's called positive cash flow. In this video, I'm going to show you why focusing on cash flow is way better than just accumulating assets. Stay with me till the end, because I'll be sharing actionable tips to help you build your own cash flow empire. And hey, if you love this kind of content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and bring you more financial freedom tips. What is positive cash flow and why it matters? So, what exactly is positive cash flow? Imagine this. After paying for all your monthly expenses, rent, groceries, bills, you still have money coming in month after month. That's positive cash flow. It's income generated by smart investments like dividend stocks, REITs, or rental properties. But here's what makes it truly special. Positive cash flow isn't just extra money, it's your ticket to freedom. Think about it. What would life look like if your cash flow could cover your expenses every single month? No more rushing to work just to pay the bills. Instead, work becomes a choice, not an obligation. That's why positive cash flow isn't just about making life easier. It's about making work optional. And optional work? That's the ultimate goal for anyone seeking financial freedom. Point 1. Financial freedom, not just wealth. Let's be real. What's the point of being a millionaire on paper if you're still chained to a desk, grinding through 50-hour work weeks just to maintain your lifestyle? Here's the difference. Positive cash flow doesn't just add zeros to your net worth. It pays for your life. Your expenses? Covered. Your stress? Gone. And the best part? You're free to focus on what really matters. Whether that's spending quality time with loved ones, traveling the world, or pursuing your passions. So let me ask you, what's the first thing you'd do if you didn't need to work for money? Would you explore every corner of the globe, start a passion project, or simply spend more time with the people who matter most? Point 2. Liquidity for life events. Life loves to throw curveballs. Whether it's a sudden car repair, a surprise medical bill, or even an unexpected job loss. Now imagine this. You own a high-value property, but your cash is tied up in it. What happens when that curveball comes your way? You might have to sell the property, or worse, take on debt to cover the cost. And that's a stressful position to be in. But with positive cash flow, you don't have to worry. Those consistent income streams keep you liquid and ready for life's surprises. It's like having a safety net that catches you when the unexpected happens. So, let me ask you, have you ever been in a situation where you needed cash but couldn't access it? How did you handle it? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to know. Point 3. Compounding opportunities. Positive cash flow isn't just money, it's a powerful tool for building your financial future. Here's the magic. When you reinvest your cash flow into more income-generating assets, like dividend stocks or REITs, you set off a compounding effect. Think of it like planting a tree. The more you water it, by reinvesting your cash flow, the bigger it grows. Over time, it gives you more shade, or in this case, more money every single year. That's the beauty of compounding. Your wealth doesn't just grow linearly, it grows exponentially. This is how people go from a few dollars in passive income to full financial independence. Point 4. Flexibility in choices. Positive cash flow gives you something truly priceless: freedom of choice. Imagine this. You're stuck in a stressful 9-to-5 job, but your investments are generating enough cash flow to cover your expenses. Suddenly, you have options. Want to quit that job and take a year off to dive into your passion project? You can. Want to spend more time with your kids, be there for all their important moments, or even homeschool them? Done. Positive cash flow sets you free. It makes you the master of your time, not a slave to the paycheck. Here's the thing. Cash flow is freedom. Assets? They're just numbers on a balance sheet. But cash flow? That's what gives you the flexibility to live life on your terms. So, let me ask, what would you choose to do with your time if money wasn't an issue? Would you pursue a passion, spend more time with loved ones, or travel the world? Drop your dream in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Point 5. Inflation shield. Ever heard the saying, inflation eats your savings? Unfortunately, it's true. The money sitting in a savings account is quietly losing its purchasing power every single year. But here's the good news. Positive cash flow from investments, like dividends, REITs, or rental income, doesn't just keep up with inflation, it often grows with it. This means your purchasing power stays protected, even as the cost of living rises. While others see their savings shrink, your cash flow grows, adapting to inflation and ensuring you maintain your financial freedom. How do you feel about inflation eating away at savings? Wouldn't you rather have cash flow that grows instead? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know how you're preparing to beat inflation. Point 6. Active reward from investments. Owning assets is great, but if they don't work for you, they're just expensive hobbies. True wealth isn't about owning things, it's about creating systems that generate income while you sleep. Imagine waking up to a steady stream of income month after month, year after year. No more trading time for money, no more hustling for every dollar. Instead, your assets are working hard for you, building wealth effortlessly. Point 7. Debt serviceability. Positive cash flow isn't just about funding your lifestyle. It's a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom. Imagine using rental income to accelerate your mortgage payoff. Instead of your money working for the bank, it's working for you, paving the way to own your home sooner and build wealth faster. That's the power of cash flow. It puts you in control of your finances. Point 8. Avoiding lifestyle risks. Let's talk about being asset-rich but cash-poor. You've got the fancy car, designer clothes, and a big house, but your bank account is barely keeping up. Sound familiar? Positive cash flow ensures you can live well today while still securing your future. Are you building a lifestyle you can truly afford? Let's take a moment to reflect on that together. Final thoughts. Building your cash flow empire. Here's the bottom line. Positive cash flow is your ticket to true financial freedom. It lets you live life on your own terms, without stressing over bills or unexpected expenses. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use the motivation. And before you leave, drop a comment. What's one cash flow generating investment you're excited to start with? I'd love to support you on your journey. Remember, wealth is important, but it's positive cash flow that truly gives you freedom. Start building it now so you can choose how you want to live. No strings attached.